All right, we are going to factor out the greatest common factor, and this is our first example. So the steps for factoring out the greatest common factor, we're going to factor each term prime. We're going to take out and remove factors that are common, and then we're going to multiply the greatest common factor by what's left over, and then we want to check our work. So let's look at this first example. So I have 4x squared minus 8x minus 6. And the first thing I need to do is just factor each term prime. So we've done this before in other examples. So this would look like 4x squared would be 2 times 2 times x. Then I subtract, well, 8x is 2 times 2 times 2 times x. And then I need to subtract 6, which becomes 2 times 3. All right. So now I'm going to take out and remove factors that are in common. Well, can you see what's in common to all of these terms? Well, only 2 is in common to all of these terms. So I am going to remove that factor from each term. And I bring it out just kind of hanging out there by itself. So now I'm going to multiply that, and 2 is the greatest common factor. I'm going to multiply the greatest common factor by what's left over in each term. So hopefully you can see in the first term, I've got 2 times x left over. And then I have minus 2 times 2 times x in the second term, and then 3 left in the third term. So now I'm going to simplify this to make it look a little better, which becomes 2 times x squared minus 4x minus 3, because I'm multiplying the greatest common factor by what's left over. Now I can check my work really easily. I can simply say, well, does 2 times 2x squared equal 4x squared? Yes. Does 2 times negative 4x equal negative 8x? Yes. And does 2 times negative 3 equal 6 equal negative 6? Yes, it does. So we're done.